Did you know that long before expensive and chemical hair products existed, our mothers and grandmothers relied on simple natural herbs like papaya leaves to care for their hair? And that is why they have this thick, long, and healthy, beautiful looking hair. Yet today, many of us keep asking, why did women back then have such amazing hair? Meanwhile, the answer to their natural, long, healthy, and beautiful hair has been growing right in your backyard all along. Papaya leaves are one of nature's most underrated hair care ingredients, which is often ignored, thrown away, or left hanging on the tree. So if you know you're struggling with slow hair growth, thinning around your edges, and you are at the point of almost giving up on your hair, then I will advise you watch this video all through to the end, because not only am I going to be showing you the effective method our mothers use in preparing this papaya leaf treatment, but I will also be showing you the way they used it that have helped them to achieve the result they have. Before I begin, please do well to smash the like button below this video to give this video a thumbs up. I would definitely say that this leaves right here is one of the most nature's greatest gift to mankind. Not only is papaya leaves used traditionally in curing several illnesses, but it's also packed with beneficial nutrients and compounds that are very great for hair growth. Before you make this treatment, I would advise you make your own research so you can really understand the benefit of papaya leaves for your hair. Now, to make this papaya hair treatment, when you get your papaya leaves, you're going to wash them thoroughly to remove all dirt and dust. Then proceed to cutting it into smaller pieces, just like I am doing. One of the most interesting things about papaya leaf is that they contain antioxidants. An antioxidant helps protect cells from oxidative stress caused by environmental factors such as pollution, sun exposure, and product buildup. And when your scalp is exposed to constant stress, it can become irritated and unhealthy. And a healthier scalp environment can make it easier for your hair to grow and strive. Papaya leaves don't just support healthier and faster hair growth, they also help reduce scalp buildup, excess oil, dirt, dead skin cells, and product residues that can sometimes clog your follicles and make it harder for your hair to grow. And our mothers never joked with papaya leaves because they believe it helps them strengthen their hair shaft, because when your hair is weak, it breaks, and stronger strands are less likely to break, and reducing breakage is one of the easiest ways to retain more length. Now, after chopping your papaya leaves into these smaller sizes, you're going to add it into a pot. And that brings us to the second ingredient. Cloves have become extremely popular in the natural hair community, and for a good reason. Cloves contains antioxidants and beneficial compounds that are often used to support hair growth. Cloves in this recipe is going to help stimulate your scalp and support stronger, healthier hair growth. Cloves have been prized for centuries across Africa, Asia, and the Middle East, long before modern scalp treatments even existed. Our mothers incorporated cloves into their hair care routine because it helps grow their hair faster and help their hair look thicker and more healthier. And the next ingredient to be adding is cinnamon, another ancient spice with a long history of use. For generations, cinnamon was treasured not only as a culinary ingredient but also in traditional beauty practices. Its warming nature has made it a popular addition to herbal preparations, and our mothers believe it helps support healthier hair growth and vibrant scalp. Cinnamon contains antioxidants and has been traditionally used in various beauty treatments. When combined with cloves and papaya leaves, cinnamon creates this rich herbal infusion that feels nourishing and refreshing on the scalp. Once everything was in the pot, I added some water, and I'm going to place this on my stove and allow it to boil. I let the mixture simmer for a while so the ingredient had enough time to infuse properly into the water. And this was 10 minutes after allowing this to simmer gently on a low heat. Take a look at how beautiful the water has become, and this is exactly what we are going for, because it shows that the beneficial compounds from this ingredient have fully absorbed into the water. So next time, before you think of investing your money on expensive serum, chemical treatment that might not actually give you the result that you're looking for, consider making this natural treatment treatment that is not just simple to make but are made with natural ingredients that you can easily find around you. Across Africa, our mothers and grandmothers have always used these herbs to maintain their long, thick and healthier hair, and in many parts of Asia, especially India, women who use this natural treatment are known for their beautiful waist-length hair and their commitment to using this herbal hair care tradition that's been passed down for centuries. This treatment is designed to support a healthier scalp environment, so if you're dealing with excessive shedding, weak strands, breakage, thinning edges, dryness, or hair that seems stuck at the same length for months, then this treatment might actually be worth trying. Now, the next important thing is how to use this. Never skip how to use a treatment, because even the most potent and powerful hair treatment can fail you if you don't use it the right way. I like to spray this directly to my scalp, making sure I part my hair if my hair is out, but since it's on protective style, I have access to my scalp, so make sure to part your hair if your hair is out. This spray can be used on natural hair, relaxed hair locks, braids, protective styles, and even low cut. The goal is to make sure the scalp receives the benefits of this treatment, because a healthy scalp provides the foundation for stronger, healthier and longer hair. The most effective way to use this treatment is as a leave-in. That is to say, you don't need to apply and wash it out, you apply and leave it in. And after applying to my scalp, I lightly mix the rest of my hair from root to end, paying special attention to areas that are prone to dryness, breakage or thinning. This spray is lightweight, so you can use it as a leave-in treatment without it weighing down your hair. And once I'm done spraying, I like to gently massage my scalp for about 3 to 5 minutes. This step is very important because not only will it help this treatment to distribute evenly on your scalp, but it's also going to help improve blood circulation, and the more oxygen your scalp have, the better. And one thing I've learned on my hair journey is that growing hair isn't just about getting new growth, it's also about protecting the hair you already have. When your hair breaks less, shades less and stays stronger, you are able to retain more length and actually see the progress you've been working for. And that's why I love treatments like this. They are not just simple and affordable, they are inspired by traditions that has been trusted for generations. So whether your goal is longer hair, fuller hair, healthier edges, reduced breakage, or simply maintaining a healthier scalp, then this treatment is a wonderful way to bring a little bit of traditional herbal wisdom into your modern hair care. And like I said, this treatment is lightweight, so you can use it daily or use it at least 4 times in a week. And after applying it, you can go ahead with your normal moisture routine. Make sure to store this in the refrigerator and make a fresh batch if you notice any difference in smell or color. And try your best to be consistent with this treatment, and at the end of the day, you're going to be glad you did. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. I will see you on my next video. Bye.